Hey, what's up, guys? Well, as you can see or not see, because we got kitty cats on the table. Oh, angry kitty cats at that. Well, as you can see, I got my 30-06 Husqvarna off of layaway. I would like to take you and show you an up-close look at all the markings and let you have a more detailed look at the gun. I think it's gorgeous. I mean, I'm not sure of the year as of yet, but I really like the condition of the rifle. So if we pick it up, we got two positions for the safety: forward and back. Forward being fire, back being safe, and you can't work the bolt if it's on safe. So it has to be on fire. And then, as you know, this is a Mauser action, and it's my first Mauser action rifle. The Husqvarnas were made in Sweden, and we got our first wording right here, if you can see that. But that's what it says right there, and I never noticed those markings before when I first looked at it when I was putting it on layaway. We also got an M right here on the side, on the wood, imprinted on the wood. So they got an M right there, and then on the other side we have an R right there. So you can see that, R and M. And then right here on the barrel we got our serial number, and we got the Sweden marking, and as well as nitro right underneath it. And then our other markings would be, I have to turn it around. Our other marking is going to be right here on the top of the barrel, and it says Husqvarna Vapenfabriks AB 30-06 US. And as far as I know, that's all the markings on the gun. Now I haven't unbedded it from the stock or anything, so there might be more markings underneath. But what a smooth bolt. Oh my goodness. That's the smoothest bolt I own. It's smoother than my Remington 700. I'm not even sure how many this will hold, but as you can see, you push each round right down here. It's either going to hold 4 or 5 right down there. And then we got our drop plate that will come right here, and the button for that is right there in the trigger guard. So you push that, and there you go. You got your spring that comes out. Close that up. The trigger on here, show you what the trigger looks like. So there, let me go from underneath. You know, I'm not no expert on triggers, but it feels around the 5 pound, maybe 6 pound mark. It's a little bit on the heavier side if I had to guess. But as you can see, the wood looks gorgeous. And we got this really tiny rear sight notch, you see? But I like that. And let's look at the front hood right there. And you can see what the front hood looks like right there. I haven't taken any shots yet. This is the first time, this is the first day I've gotten it home, so we also got a couple sling studs right here and right here. So that's really nice. And I forget what you call these kind of stocks that got this little kind of curve at the end right there. But I do know when I did look this up, I believe this was the featherweight or lightweight edition of the Husqvarnas that were made. If I take my tape measure, it's got a 23-inch barrel, possibly 24-inch if it goes this far. But I am ecstatic over the condition of this gun. We got a pistol grip style stock, and we got a little plastic piece right on there. Looks like it's got a little bit of chips right there on the side of it. But I'm pretty sure this was hand engraved on the stock right here, and it feels great. lots of texture right here. I mean, look at the wood. And then on the bottom, we got the Sweden logo again. So, the caliber that I wanted the most was 30-06. And that's why I went ahead and pulled the trigger on this one, because I was looking for me a good 30-06. I'll say the length of pull is a little bit shorter than I'm used to. I'll probably end up putting a rubber butt pad on the end of here just to kind of make it a little bit longer, and so it'll kind of dampen a little bit of that 30-06 recoil. We also have some mounts right here, so that's nice. Don't have to go find any of those scope mounts. And then how you take the bolt off is, as you're pulling it back, you just push down right here and the bolt will slide out. I look down the barrel, everything looks really nice and clean. And then to put it back in, it just slides right back in there. Listen to this bolt again. What a fabulous, smooth bolt. Yeah, that is awesome. Okay guys, just wanted to show you all the first look at my new Husqvarna Vapen Fabrics Swedish-made Mauser. Make sure to like and subscribe, and join me on Patreon if you'd like to support the channel. Okay, take care.